Need to tag someone in your Instagram story without others noticing? Here's how to mention them discreetly. Start by launching Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Then select the picture or video that you want to share on your story. You can edit the story as you like. If you don't know how to do so, then make sure to check out our video on that topic. Moving on, after you're satisfied with the story, tap on your story at the bottom left to share. After the story is posted, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Tap on Add Mentions. Now search for the username of the person that you want to mention. Tap on their username, then tap on Add at the bottom. By doing so, only the person that you mentioned can see you mentioned and reshare the story, while others cannot see the mentioned person.